Please?
Who's honking the horn?
Honk the horn. Honk the horn. Please. Mean. Whoa, this man looks like a honker. Honk the horn. Rude. I feel like we should hide behind this telephone pole. I'm behind a pole now. Honk. Rude! Rude! Please honk your horn! Oh, you!
Poor Emily. It's so embarrassing. No one's even bothered.
It's not embarrassing, it's just history making. Why?
Maybe they can't read English.
That's probably it. Honko! Por favor! Yes! Oh no! It's yes!
We got 3!
3!
God, there's a lot of people.
Honk! That was delayed, but okay. Please?
We're all just like, what? Oh wow, there's a lot of cars now.
Honk the horn. Yes! We got like 5, right?
6! Woo!
Meanwhile, you're dressed up as like Indiana Ulysses Grant or whatever. Why? Honk!
I'm gonna wear it around school.
It's nice. And it makes you look kind of like you're in a dancing street game. No? He doesn't like U.S. history. That's what's wrong with you. Yes!
How do we get to 10?
Woo! Honk the horn. Honk. Please? Come on. Yes! Yay!
It's like showing the ass.
And a camera. Where did everyone? She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. Please? Why?
People say?
Honk the horn. The horn. Horn. Honk your horn, please. Honk. Honk. Please honk. Yay! Woo! Honk your horn, please. Go all the way over there. Is that your mom?
Yeah, that's my Mika.
Please. Yeah! Candy corn. Honk your horn.
Let's do it again. Maybe they'll honk.
I don't think you want top, don't you think?
Liverpool!
Yeah! Honk the horn. There. Honk, please. Thank you.
Almost done.
Please honk your horn. No. No. Whoa! Thank you.